Now we are in دستگاه شور. Mother of دستگاه in Persian music is دستگاه شور and it has 5 branches. You remember Abu Atta, Dashti, Bayat Turk, Afshari and Bayat Kurd or Kurd Bayat. Si bemol mi bemol la koron, page 72, lesson 36, تمرین شور. تمرین means etude, practicing. تمرین in شور, practicing in شور or etude in شور. So here we have lots of jumping through the frets and also different kind of mezrab like se ras chap, ras 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 chap. We call it se ras, se means 3 and then chap, ras 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 chap, and also ras chap and also ras 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 chap, ras chap ras chap, ras 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 chap, ras chap ras chap. So the first bar we are going just to play ras chap ras, ras chap ras, and bam, right now it's C, G, C, but it says you can change it to C, G, C, F. But so far it's okay because you want to practice maybe previous lesson. So let's stay on C, G, C for now. Bam, sol, bam. Ras, 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 chap, ras, chap, ras, chap. Jumping through, re, all finger moving together. Si bemol do re at the same time. At the same time. So here we have a different mezrab. Sol, sol, do, bam. That means ras, ras, chap. So accent on chap. Ras, ras, chap. Ras, ras, chap. Ras, ras, chap, bam. We are going to play it a little bit faster from the beginning without talking through it. And please practice to make it faster and faster. Please, let's move to page 74. We are skipping few lessons in between. Don't worry about it. We are playing much more technical and beautiful pieces and important pieces. So, چهار مضراب شور. We know about چهار مضراب. It is a fast piece. چهار means 4 and مضراب means pick. And it's supposed to be played fast. Most of the time the rhythm is 6-8, 12-16, something like that. And page 74, lesson number 38, چهار مضراب شور, چهار مضراب این دستگاه شور by موسی معروفی. whole performance of this charm mezrab, but in medium speed. So ras chap ras 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 chap ras 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 chap bam ras chap bam ras chap ras ras. So still we are in CGC, it's okay. And then you will have ras chap ras chap ras chap. So you will experience lots of different mezrab here. Whenever you are coming to the paye or a groove, it is ras chap ras ras, your ras chap ras on bam. But whenever you're coming to the melody, ras chap is coming. And also it has lots of beautiful finger position, fa sol la si do re do si la si do re, And for the second time, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Do comes to the first finger. Why? Because we want mi bemol or E flat. Mi, re, do, si, la, sol. And then fa, fa, bam, fa, do, bam. Here you're supposed to practice a lot because do is on chap. Ras, chap, ras, chap, ras. Ras, chap, ras, chap, ras, chap, ras, chap, ras. So on. So let's practice it and then make it faster because it is char mizrab and traditionally supposed to be played energetic. Let's listen to it. Let's learn renge shur in this session also. So we had a practicing or etude on shur, renge shur, and also char mizrab. So si bemol, mi bemol, la koron, and sometimes re koron. This is the renge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page number 76 and lesson number 40. Renge shur by Musa Marufi. Please play Dorab at the beginning. Same. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Ras, chap, ras, chap, ras. Fastest. Ras, chap, ras, chap, ras. 1, 2. بکار 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you saw for sometimes we had la bekar as an embellishment note. It is not specifically in دستگاه شور, and also re bekar and re koron got changed. Let's play it from the beginning a little bit faster. Please listen to the feeling, crescendo, the crescendos coming from the, very soft playing and very busy playing. You're supposed to just listen to it and apply it on your instrument. Sometimes you play like, sometimes it really depends on Persian musician or Persian musician instrumentalist. So most of the time we don't see forte, for example, F, pianissimo, or mezzo forte, these stuff on our music notation, even though in intermediate, even though in advanced. So it is up to the musician. It is up to you to create your feeling through the piece.